Hi, you guys. I'm here, Artfully Rooted, Dottie, and Tobias. Well, today's Easter, and guess what we're gonna do? Tobias wants to get his hair colored. Since he has homeschool, so he can be really cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the DIY paint, and I'm gonna color his hair. It's all natural, so I'm not worried about it.
Hopefully this doesn't go wrong.
Yeah, he says hopefully it doesn't go wrong.
Go wrong.
Go wrong. He wants his hair like a bright green color. So I took one of the two new colors, Liquid Sunshine and Salty Kiss, and I mixed it up, probably like, I don't know, 3/4 Liquid Sunshine and the red quarter of the green, and this is the color we've got. So here we go. Watch us as we do this.
Say if you're a Billiarders fan.
Okay, I need you to go down just a little bit so they can see. I'm going to wet his hair first, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before, so hopefully it's not, like you said, a fail. And I'm just using this mister that I actually use when I paint with and kind of dampen it a little bit. Okay?
Paint just the top, not these.
Right, he just wants me to paint his mohawk part. Look this way for a second. So we're going to do that. I'm going to pull the camera up a little bit. Sorry. So we can see it better. There. Now we can see the top.
Yeah.
So we're going to take that, and then I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm actually going to just kind of putting my fingers together and try to put it in there. Hey, it's coming out pretty good.
Yeah.
And DIY paint is all natural. It's water-based, so when we want to take it out, we can take it out. Just wash his hair. And there's no chemicals. It's made with clay.
Yeah, a little bit right here.
A little bit on the side?
Yeah.
Let me finish the top first, and then we'll do all the extra stuff.
Okay.
So here we go.
That looks so much different.
Hey, it looks cool.
Yeah.
Probably want to get some in here and the inside too.
Yeah.
All natural. Don't have to worry about any kind of chemicals or anything that ruin his hair, ruin his skin. And then it's a washable, so if we get tired of it, we can just wash it out. Okay. And if it doesn't wash out, we'll just cut his hair.
Oh no.
But I'm sure it will.
Don't cut my hair, please. I like it.
Oh, how cool is that?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Look, turn this way. Put your head down so they can see it. Go like that. See? Look how cool that is. Go up. Okay, put it up. So you want some here?
Some right there.
Like right here?
Yes.
Like a line or something?
Yeah.
Like that? And one on the other side too?
Yep.
Maybe a little more. Okay. So what else? Stay there. I'm going to wash my hands off, and then I'm going to do a close-up. Pull the camera up close. So I'm washing my hands, guys. Hold on. I don't want to get paint on my camera, on my phone. Okay, got it off. All right, let's see. Let's bring the camera up. Check it out, DIY
Yep.
paint. Debbie's Design Diary. We carry the paint in the store, but the store is temporarily closed, but we are doing online shopping, so you can actually go to our website, artfullyrooted.com, and purchase the DIY paint. The colors I used today were Liquid Sunshine and Salty Kiss. And I just mixed them together, come out with that cool looking green color right there. And then there's there it is. The lighting in here kind of sucks, but let's turn it off and see if that's better. Nope, it's not. So turn this way.
Let's go. I want to go on a bike ride.
He wants to go on a bike ride. So thanks for watching. We're gonna go on a bike ride now.
See you later.
With green.
Subscribe to me, Tobias Matheson Roblox. I've heard a lot of you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe.
So he's asking. We're gonna post this on his channel, and we're gonna post it on Artfully Rooted after I edit it. So it'll probably be on there later tonight if you want to watch. But anyway, this isn't even live, so it doesn't matter. But I'll probably edit that out. But anyway, watch us and subscribe to Tobias Matheson and Artfully Rooted. Hit thumbs up and go to artfullyrooted.com. You can order any color DIY paint. It's all on there. And then you can come and pick it up, or we can do shipping. Have a great day. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Bye.